Ellie, you know that Gert isn't a real person, don't you?
Of course it's a real person. I mean, he tried to kill himself the other day by taking a lot of pills. I'm afraid, he'll do it. In the end. Although he has a beautiful daughter, he still wants to die.
So my mom is like Gert. He tried to kill herself.
No, wait, Margaret, I'm sorry. I've forgotten about your mom. She's not like her. She's not going to try to kill herself again.
She's right. My mom won't try to kill herself again, but she's depressed. She can do any crazy thing right now. But Ellie's right. She's not like Gert. Listen, Ellie, do you trust me? Yes, no.
What are you talking about? Of course I trust you.
So close your eyes and come onto my jacket.
What? Why?
I watched a TV program once. It was all about learning to trust someone. They made them to close their eyes and other people led them around and make sure that they didn't hurt themselves.
Have you gone mad?
Now, I'm going to guide you to the train through all these people and you will trust me forever.
Okay, let's do it. Listen, Marcus, I know why you're doing this. You think I haven't seen the paper, but I have.
Oh, are you okay?
Yes. Well, not. I'm going to be drunk. My God committed suicide. I hate my life.
He wasn't a real person. Stop.
Do you know him just like I did?
Oh, Gerald, do what your friend says, okay?
It's none of your business, dude.
Calm down and stop shouting. You're bothering everybody.
You don't know anything about him. Just shut up.
Oh, everybody calm down. We're not your parents.
We're
Why
going
do
to...
you care? You have your own parents, right? Just mind them and just leave us alone.
You should be with an adult.
Wait, Ellie, please, ignore them.
Are you listening to them? Are you?
Well, this is the end of our video. We hope that you enjoyed.
Bye.
Them around and they made sure that they didn't hurt themselves.
Have you gone mad?
No, I'm going to guide you to the train and you will through the... Oh!